Now let's look at from AI chatbot to AI worker. Generative AI is no longer only about writing text. In 2026, businesses are using AI for research, analysis, content, coding, customer support, and workflow automation. The big shift is from asking AI one question to giving AI a business task. AI tools can now summarize, create, search, plan, and sometimes take action through connected systems. But this also creates a new question. How do businesses use these tools safely and practically? In this video, we will explain generative AI tools, agents, and automation with simple business examples. Now let's look at roadmap of the video. First, we will understand what generative AI means in 2026. Then we will look at the major types of GenAI tools. Next, we will explain AI agents in simple language. After that, we will see how AI automation works across business processes. Then we will explore examples in customer support, sales, finance, HR, supply chain, and software teams. Finally, we will discuss governance, risks, and how to choose the right AI use case. Now let's look at generative AI in 2026 explained simply. Generative AI is AI that creates new content or outputs. It can create text, images, video, audio, code, summaries, reports, and recommendations. In 2026, the focus is shifting from content generation to business execution. Companies want AI to help complete repeatable work. This includes drafting documents, answering employees, preparing reports, updating systems, and supporting decisions. The best use is not replacing people completely. The best use is helping people work faster, better, and with more context. Now let's look at the main types of generative AI tools. Generative AI tools can be grouped into a few simple categories. Chat tools help with questions, writing, brainstorming, and analysis. Coding tools help developers write, review, and debug code. Image and video tools help create visual content. Search and research tools help summarize information from many sources. Enterprise copilots help employees work inside business applications. Agent platforms help automate repeatable workflows across tools. Now let's look at what is an AI agent. An AI agent is more than a chatbot. A chatbot usually responds to a prompt. An AI agent can understand a goal, plan steps, use tools, and complete a task. For example, instead of only saying how to prepare a sales report, an agent may collect data, summarize insights, draft the report, and send it for review. The agent still needs rules, permissions, and human oversight. Think of an AI agent as a digital assistant that can take action within a controlled workflow. Now let's look at how AI automation works. AI automation connects a business goal with tools and data. First, the user gives an instruction or trigger. Then the AI understands the task. It may retrieve data from documents, emails, databases, or business systems. It may generate a draft, recommendation, message, or next action. Then a human may review and approve the result. Finally, the system updates the workflow or completes the task. Now let's look at business example 1, customer support. Customer support is one of the most common GenAI use cases. An AI assistant can answer common questions using company knowledge. An AI agent can go one step further. It can check order status, summarize customer history, suggest a response, or create a support ticket. For simple issues, it can guide the customer quickly. For complex issues, it can hand over the case to a human agent with a summary. This improves speed without removing human care. Now let's look at business example 2, sales and marketing. In sales, GenAI can help research accounts and prepare meeting notes. It can summarize customer calls and identify follow-up actions. It can draft personalized emails based on customer context. It can create campaign ideas, social posts, landing page copy, and product descriptions. An AI sales agent can help prepare deal briefs before a sales meeting. But the sales team should still validate tone, facts, pricing, and commitments. AI helps with preparation, but trust still depends on human judgment. Now let's look at business example 3, finance and accounting. Finance teams handle many repetitive document-heavy tasks. GenAI can help read invoices, contracts, policies, and expense notes. It can summarize differences between purchase orders and invoices. It can draft explanations for exceptions. It can help prepare month-end commentary and variance analysis. An AI agent can route exceptions to the right person for review. This can reduce manual effort while keeping approvals under human control. Now let's look at business example 4, HR and employee support. HR teams receive many repeated questions from employees. GenAI can answer policy questions using approved HR documents. It can help draft job descriptions, interview questions, onboarding checklists, and training material. An HR agent can guide a new employee through onboarding steps. It can remind people about pending tasks and required documents. It can also support internal learning by recommending training resources. Sensitive HR decisions should always remain human-reviewed. Now let's look at business example 5, supply chain and procurement. Supply chain and procurement teams work with vendors, contracts, orders, risks, and exceptions. GenAI can summarize supplier contracts and extract key terms. It can compare supplier quotes and highlight differences. It can help identify purchase order or invoice exceptions. It can draft supplier communication. An agent can monitor open tasks and escalate delays. This helps teams move from manual follow-up to proactive exception management. Now let's look at business example 6, software and product teams. Developers use GenAI to write code, explain code, test code, and debug issues. Product teams use it to summarize customer feedback and user research. Designers use it to create concept visuals and prototype ideas. An AI agent can help create a product feedback summary from support tickets, calls, and survey responses. It can also create draft user stories and acceptance criteria. The team should still review technical quality, security, and product fit. AI speeds up work, but teams own the final decision. Now let's look at RAG, giving AI trusted business knowledge. Many businesses do not want AI to answer from general knowledge only. They want answers based on approved company documents. This is where RAG is useful. RAG means Retrieval Augmented Generation. It retrieves relevant information from trusted sources before generating an answer. For example, an employee can ask about a policy, and the AI can answer using the official policy document. RAG reduces guesswork and improves trust when implemented carefully. Now let's look at multimodal AI tools. Generative AI is becoming multimodal. This means it can work with more than text. It can understand images, documents, audio, video, charts, and screenshots. A business user can ask AI to summarize a meeting recording. A designer can ask AI to create product visuals. A trainer can create learning content with text, images, and video. Multimodal AI makes business workflows more visual and interactive. Now let's look at where automation gives the most value. AI automation works best for repeatable, high-volume, rule-supported tasks. It is useful when people spend time searching, copying, summarizing, drafting, or routing information. Good examples include support tickets, reports, meeting actions, invoice exceptions, policy Q&A, and follow-up emails. It works poorly when goals are unclear or data is messy. It also needs strong controls when decisions affect money, people, customers, or compliance. The best use cases are important, repeated, measurable, and safe to review. Now let's look at risks and governance. Generative AI and agents can make mistakes. They can hallucinate facts, misunderstand instructions, or use outdated information. They can also expose sensitive data if permissions are not designed carefully. Business automation needs governance. This includes data privacy, access control, audit trails, human approval, accuracy checks, and security testing. The more action an AI agent can take, the stronger the guardrails must be. Responsible AI is not optional in business automation. Now let's look at how to start in a business. A business should not start by automating everything. Start with one clear use case. Choose a process with repeated work, available data, and measurable value. Define what the AI can do and what humans must approve. Test the output with real users. Measure time saved, quality, accuracy, risk, and user satisfaction. Then improve the workflow before scaling it further. Now let's look at final recap. Let us recap the full idea. Generative AI in 2026 is moving from content creation to workflow automation. AI tools help people write, analyze, code, design, search, and summarize. AI agents can plan steps, use tools, and complete controlled tasks. Business examples include customer support, sales, finance, HR, procurement, supply chain, and software teams. But AI agents need data quality, governance, human review, and clear permissions. The future is not just AI replacing work. The future is humans and AI working together to redesign how work gets done. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of generative AI in 2026, tools, agents, and automation explained with business examples. Review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like from AI chatbot to AI worker. Roadmap of the video: Generative AI in 2026 explained simply when practicing. If you can explain the idea in your own words, you have really understood it.